Yeah, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this unit that I have on right now. It is from UNiceHair Company. This is their Jerry Curly 4x4 hand-tied closure wig. It's not your standard closure wig, so don't mistake it for that. It is literally hand-tied, meaning that there's only like a centimeter of lace in the front where you can pluck the hair, and then the strip down the middle of the closure is lace, so that you're able to part it, but everywhere else they're just sewing tracks on. I'm gonna have a clip showing you guys how it looks on the inside. I initially wanted to shift this wig, but it wasn't laying right, it wasn't falling right, and it may just because, you know, like when you're having like that sort of day and just nothing is going right, nothing is looking right. That's the day I'm having, but I'm gonna keep this going to show you this unit. I wasn't really feeling it when I was shifting the wig, so I literally had to play with it to get it how I really, I don't know, not even how I really wanted it, just enough to be presentable to y'all. Y'all feel me? So this hair feels extremely soft, which is a good thing. It also is very lightweight, it's fluffy, it's airy. I have been obviously finger combing it and flipping it, and it's just getting a tad bit frizzy, but nothing that's crazy. I'm going to try refreshing these curls with my Maui combing cream in another video, of course. But okay, so this hair feels extremely soft, which is a good thing. It also is very lightweight, it's fluffy, it's airy. I have been obviously finger combing it and flipping it, and it's just getting a tad bit frizzy, but nothing that's crazy. I'm going to try refreshing these curls with my Maui combing cream in another video, of course, but I'm gonna see how that does with it. But the density of this wig, ooh, I'm gonna have to look to figure out because I can't remember, but y'all, this hair is so thick. Like, it is really, really, really thick. Okay, so as you can see, the hair is extremely thick. It is like, to me, it feels like it might be 200% density, but I haven't got hand-tied closure wig with that density yet, I don't believe, so I really don't think it's that, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna look back in my notes and leave it down in the description box for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop talking here. If you have tried this wig, leave a comment down below because I'm curious to see if y'all wigs were as thick as mine, because it is super, super thick. So leave a comment down below, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.